So I'm going to be sharing methods on how you can use it. Hi beautiful, welcome back to another video and welcome to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to be answering a question that was left in the comment section of this particular video. This video is actually doing well on the channel because it is very helpful, so you should see this video. It is a skin prep video that I created using just 4 products. Now if you're a beginner, you don't have money to splurge, or even if you want to just keep it simple, this video is for you. It's a skin prep video before makeup and you're just going to use 4 products. Okay, so we did use 4 products, okay, to achieve that skin prep video. And a question was left on the channel in the comment section of this particular video on the channel by Beatrice Steven. She said she gets the white patchiness on the skin after she has applied Adventure Sweat Block. And she's very correct because it does happen, okay? I have tried it and I see white patchiness all over. So in today's video I'm going to be answering the question, and I'm going to also be sharing some methods on how you can avoid that patchiness before you are going with your foundation, because sometimes when you apply your foundation on it, it gets like really flaky and your foundation starts to peel. I don't know if you have experienced that, but I have. It starts to peel and it's not appealing, okay? So I'm just going to share a few methods. Now before we get into the video, before we get into the steps, we're already in the video. Before we get into the steps, kindly subscribe down below and click on the notification bell so you can be the first to know anytime a new video is uploaded, okay? Yes. So now, first disclaimer, this is what I've just tried. I have looked for ways that I can use it, because if you're a beginner in makeup and you don't have so much money to splurge, you just have to make what you have work. Use it. It will work. You just have to tweak a thing or two, okay? So don't use it on a client, and if you want to try this method, just try it when you're not going out with the makeup yet. So when you pick either of this, then you can now apply it to your routine so that you can wear it out. But for this one, you're just going to do your makeup and stay at home, or maybe be around the area, okay? Yes. So the first thing that I would advise to do is to get the Adventure Sweat Block and pour it inside an empty setting spray bottle. So if you have a setting spray bottle that is finished, don't throw it away, you can put it there. So after you're done cleaning, you can just spray that, okay? But you want to avoid this under eye, and so you want to just spray that around, okay? I feel like that way it just sinks, because it's misty, it just sinks into the skin and it doesn't leave that patchiness, okay? Did you get that? Get into a bottle and spray, avoiding the area of the eye and the under eye, okay? So now the second step is to use a brush. Now I'm not saying you don't use a dense brush, okay? You want to use something that is very fluffy. You want to use something that is like really fluffy, and what you would do is to get the sweat block on the brush and just, did you see that? You're just going to tap on that area light-handedly. You don't want to poke yourself, just gently on it, on those areas where you want to mattify. Just little amount and you're good to go, okay? Little amount. That is the second method. Now the third method is to get cotton wool, okay? Get cotton wool, dab it on and use it to clean, like you're cleaning the face. But now this method, the wool cleaning, after you're done cleaning, make sure to avoid the under eyes. Make sure to avoid the under eyes. After you're done cleaning the under eye, don't clean the under eye. So after you're done using it, just apply it like you are cleaning your skin before makeup. Use a cotton wool and just that way. But the thing is that the face is going to get tight, but it's fine. So after you're done doing that, you can go in with your moisturizer to moisturize, then prime. Okay, because the method I did in that video was the CTMP method, which is to cleanse, tone, moisturize, and prime. So you want to use that method to just cotton wool, apply, and you're good to go. Okay, try these 3 methods and come back to this video and let me know if it worked. Okay, so if this video was helpful, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up because it helps me know that you enjoy this kind of content. Yes, and also comment down below if it worked. Go try it and come back to this video. Okay, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and until the next video, make sure to stay beautiful. Bye bye.